Welcome to my channel Tough to Easy.
Who is she?
She is a teacher.
What is this?
This is a book.
What is that?
That is a car.
Who is he?
He is my brother.
Who are they?
They are my friends.
What are those?
Those are apples.
Who is that?
That is my neighbor.
What is this?
This is a pen.
Who is she?
She is a doctor.
What is that?
That is a building.
What are they?
They are my keys.
What are those?
Those are my shoes.
What are these?
These are my glasses.
Who is he?
He is an architect.
Who are they?
They are my parents.
What is this?
This is a laptop.
Who is that?
That is the waiter.
What is that?
That is a painting.
Who is she?
She is an artist.
What is this?
This is a mobile phone.
Who is he?
He is a scientist.
What is that?
That is a flower.
What is this?
This is a notebook.
Who is that?
That is my friend.
What are those?
Those are sandwiches.
Who are they?
They are my colleagues.
What is that?
That is a bicycle.
Who is he?
He is a chef.
What is this?
This is a map.
Who is she?
She is a writer.
What is that?
That is a clock.
What are those?
Those are toys.
Who is she?
She is a nurse.
What is that?
That is a statue.
Who are they?
They are students.
Who is he?
He is a coach.
Who is that?
That is my sister.
What are those?
Those are documents.
Who is he?
He is a pilot.
What are those?
Those are pencils.
Who is she?
She is a librarian.
Who are they?
They are tourists.
Who is he?
He is a firefighter.
Who is that?
That is my aunt.
What is that?
That is a suitcase.
What is this?
This is a calculator.
What are those?
Those are tickets.
Who are they?
They are relatives.
Who is he?
He is a photographer.
What is that?
That is a garden.
What are those?
Those are gloves.
Who are they?
They are my grandparents.
What is this?
This is a chair.
Who is that?
That is my uncle.
What is that?
That is a fountain.
Who is he?
He is a lawyer.
What are those?
Those are hats.
What is this?
This is a keychain.
Who is that?
That is my niece.
Who is he?
He is a mechanic.
What are those?
Those are magazines.
What is this?
This is a pillow.
What is that?
That is a bridge.
Who are they?
They are volunteers.
What are those?
Those are cookies.
Who is he?
He is a businessman.
What is this?
This is a guitar.
What is that?
That is a river.
Who is he?
He is a gardener.
What is this?
This is a brochure.
What is that?
That is a mountain.
What is this?
This is a desert.
What is that?
That is a globe.
Who is he?
He is an engineer.
What is this?
This is a wallet.